Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram using the latest method. If you have ever seen a restriction message blocking certain files or channels, we will show you how to fix it. Let's get started. To do this, you need to use Telegram Web instead of the app, since this option is not available there. Open your browser, Google Chrome or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Telegram Web and click on the first result. Make sure the website is telegram.org. Now, log in using your phone number or scan the QR code. If you choose the phone number option, enter it and tap Continue. Telegram will send a verification code, but not via SMS. You will receive it in the Telegram app. Open Telegram, find the code, and enter it on Telegram Web. Once you are logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and go to Settings. Then select Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down until you see the sensitive content option. By default, it is turned off. Just check the box to enable it. And that's it. Now you know how to enable sensitive content on Telegram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.